Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to the kitchen. So I have a very big unboxing to do today, and it's one for the kitchen. So here we go. All right then, I'm gonna get our little handy dandy scissors out. I'm gonna give this one an open. Now this is from sausageman.co.uk. Now you'd think, wouldn't you, that this is all gonna be lots of handmade artisan sausages, etc. Lovely meat and things. But guess what? No, it ain't. Now, Sausage Man, unlike many artisanal butchers, etc., actually has vegan food, vegan alternatives and stuff, and it's all on offer at the moment because apparently he's discontinuing the line, which kind of sucks. Now this has got a lovely big so big I don't know if I can pick it up. Polystyrene box in it. Just give me a second. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. Ta-da! Cat can have the box. She can go and play in that after she's had her lunch. Right, now this is also upside down, so I'm going to have to flip that. There we go. Right, now where did I put my scissors? Don't put them back. Put them back in the drawer. Okay, here we go. It's very well wrapped. Very well wrapped indeed. Really impressed with this. Now, I ordered these the night before last, so, and it was picked up yesterday and delivered right now, which is lunchtime Thursday, which is great. Didn't have to pay extra for that. It's just how they send it all out. Okay, and since most of this stuff is frozen and cold sensitive, I would imagine that's a good idea, isn't it? Right, so now what have we got? We've got some lovely stuff here. Nice, very nice. Ice pack. Another ice pack, another ice pack. I would say that they are dry ice packs, these ones. Yeah, these ones are dry ice packs. Ooh, yeah, that's dry ice. Oops. This one's normal. Now these you can reuse. Okay, so if you didn't know before, you can reuse these. You just need to defrost them or stick them back in the freezer and use them as and when you want to. All right. Now, first off, we have vegan chicken style nuggets, which are kind of cute. Vegan fish style fillet, again. Vegan fish style fingers, quite little really. I mean, you might get a fish finger sandwich out of that. This is fine. Vegan beef style burgers, which you can get. There we go. And vegan beef style cevapici. Right, I'm really sorry if I butchered that. I really, really am. Now the other thing I got, and I was really, really pleased with these, and they are discontinuing these, is they've got this lovely sourdough bread and a rye loaf as well. I really like rye loaves, not gonna lie. Doesn't happen often. I really do like them, but they are discontinuing them. These are frozen and can be restored into the freezer. Oh, that's going into the garden. Right. Ow, I think I burnt my finger on the dry ice. Oopsie. Okay, so what are we going to do next? We say to ourselves, well, I'm going to cook some of this off. I'm going to cook some of this off. I think I will have the beef style strippy things. I have some flatbreads. I have a little bit of salad going on, and I might just make myself a very nice wrap, I think. Yeah, so let's do that. Okie dokie, so we're going to put this on to medium to high heat. Okay, and I'm going to put these on as they are. They're very, very moist, and I think if I put anything like any oil or anything on there, it could be not so nice. So we're going to make this look pretty, because why not? Do-do-do. There we go. Ta-da! They're right. Okay, so we're going to let those do their thing and get our other stuff together. Okie dokie, so we're going to start off with our flatbread, and we're going to get some of those monkey's leaves off there, because ew. Ugh, yuck. Ew, get off. That is so good. So basically here all I'm saying is yum yum. Oh my god, that tastes amazing. So my audio went tits up. So have a really, really awesome one, guys. If you have a chance to try this, do try it, and I will see you later on.